Hi, it's Siamak Goudarzi, founder of iReviewAI and Nextel, two organizations that are working hand in hand to serve the AI tech enthusiasts and lawyers and the community of AI ethics and AI governance professionals. Basically, I've set up iReviewAI for three reasons. One, as the name suggests, we review AI tools and applications and give suggestions and recommendations and consultations to our customers regarding the type of AI tools that they should be using. Second, we provide education under iReviewAI for the general public and for businesses and professionals. Our first AI course, AI Review Foundation course, is out. It's available to the public. It's a very user-intuitive and informative course. Our second course, AI for Lawyers, is in the pipeline and will be released next month. Thirdly, we help marketing professionals and we provide marketing solutions with AI. So basically AI-powered marketing. We help businesses to AI-ify their businesses using the latest tools so that they can automate a lot of tasks and mainstream their marketing activities. These are the activities we do under iReviewAI. At the same time, I've published many books talking about AI ethics, AI governance, and the intersection of AI and the law. And I'm the initiator of the idea of virtual person. The book, The Emergence of Virtual Person, talks about this. So after publishing my first book, AI for Legal Professionals, I published The Emergence of Virtual Person book. The idea behind this is that we have real person in law, we have legal person, which is companies, but we don't have any status or any position for artificial intelligence and robots and autonomous robots in particular. So the book is arguing that as AI becomes autonomous, arguably if it becomes sentient, then there should be a place for it in our legal system. So we should potentially have third category of personhood. So as well as having real person, which is me and you, and legal person like companies, we should have virtual person. And that is what the book discusses in details, what it means and what are the reasons behind it and what are the criteria for that. Basically, what prompted me is that as AI become autonomous, especially humanoid robots becoming part of our life, people will start to interact with them, and these entities will start to be smarter and will start to make decisions on our behalf. And once they do that, then if something goes wrong, who is responsible? Is it the developer? Of course it is. Or deployer? Yes. But what about the entity itself? What about the autonomous robot or AI who has some degree of awareness, arguably? My argument is that there should be some level of responsibility for these entities. At the same time, there should be certain rights associated to them. If we have these entities without any rights or responsibilities, we are in a minefield. We don't know what they are going to do, and we don't know how much power and autonomous they are going to have. At the same time, we don't know what rights they have or they want to have. So this book basically discusses this idea. My other book that discusses the criteria behind sentient is called Awakening Intelligence. That means this intelligence that we call AI is awakening, and once it does that, it becomes sentient. Same way that many animals feel pain or feel pleasure, AI could at some point become sentient, especially with the development of AGI. It is very possible, and if it does, then definitely we should talk about their rights and responsibilities. I also talk about AI ownership, not only AI itself, who will own them, but also their product. What AI produces, who owns that product? There is a lot of discussions around it, but not enough. We don't know the boundaries. We don't know what type of ownership we are going to have over this intelligent being. Can we truly own an intelligent? I would say it's not an easy subject. The book discusses the idea of ownership of AI and also its products in details and comes up with some suggestions and solutions to this problem. I further on go and talk about the intersection of AI and spirituality. You would be surprised how much intersection they are there. So basically, I would like to generate some discussions around these subjects And I would say I'm the first lawyer in the world who have raised his hand to say, if any AI, autonomous AI, robot, needs legal protection and legal services, they can come to me. It may feel like a joke at the moment, but this is going to be our future reality, where AI will become more and more autonomous and will generate some sort of personhood. And then these questions will become relevant, and they are not going to be a joke anymore. So the reason I'm raising these discussions is to basically have a conversation around them. My ideas may be a small part of the truth. Of course, there is some truth in it, and it's not the total truth. So that's why I would like to have conversations so that we get to understand everything better together. So if you want to join me over these conversations, please follow and we'll have a conversation. Thank you.